Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I've never talked about that, but probably one of the most amazing pieces of technology that I ever get my hands on was my Kindle. So this is the Paperwhite second generation. I picked this up back in 2014 and I had the misfortune of it dying on me a month ago. I got on with support, tried to do anything to revive it, but apparently it was just a faulty battery, which after 6 years is pretty great. I looked into different options for repairing it here in Bulgaria, but they all costed quite a lot. So I decided to order myself a battery from AliExpress and see if I can make that work. I couldn't wait for so long because parcels from China usually take between 4 weeks and 2.5 months to arrive to Bulgaria, and I use my Kindle on a daily basis. So I just went ahead and bought a new one, so the new Paperwhite. Well, not new, I think it was 2018 when the last one was released. Much nicer, it's waterproof, and I also went ahead and bought this case from AliExpress with probably my favorite book of all time, The Little Prince. I stored this one away, the one that wasn't working, and I pretty much forgot about it. But today I got this in the mail, and here's some tools here. It's a battery. By the looks of it, it actually has the Amazon Kindle logo, so it looks really legit. And what I noticed is that it just has 3 pins, so no cables, and as it looks, there are 2 bolts here and 3 pins, so I guess that it just lays somewhere and contacts that way. I went ahead and fixed my Kindle, replaced the battery, and now it's working. Yep, it's working. So I just wanted to share the process with you because I couldn't find any information about how exactly to do it online, so let's just go ahead and dive straight in. So here's the Kindle. First thing we need to do is remove the top, and you should probably heat that and remove it properly. I was kind of eager to see what's below that, and I just forced it. I'm gonna unwrap the battery and the tools. I'm gonna try to see if I can do that with the tools, but probably I'll end up just using my own screwdrivers. As I mentioned, the battery looks really legit. It even has the Amazon Kindle logo on it, so let's see if it will work. Okay, let's unwrap the tools, and we have so many screwdrivers, and I'm pretty sure that there's only one that we need. We also have this sticky thing to remove the screen, which I'll try using, and some other plastic tools to help us extract different components. The tools work, but I gotta say that some of the bolts had some glue leaked into them, so they were kind of hard to remove. That's why I got my own screwdriver that has a bit of a larger grip, so it gives me more leverage to pressing down. Okay, it's starting to come out, but the sticky thing is not doing anything, so I tried the tool, and I'm not sure if I was supposed to force it, but at some point I just did that and it just slid out. So you're supposed to pick it from the top and it slides out of the bottom. There are a few plastic flaps that keep it secured in the bottom. And here it is. Huge admirations for the design. As you can see, it's pretty much this whole thing is the Kindle with everything, and it's just placed within the outer housing. Okay, so 3 more bolts on the battery, and they look to be using the same size of screw head, so just went ahead and keep in mind that those 2 where the connectors of the battery were kind of hard to unscrew, and the bolts themselves are quite fragile, so be careful. Almost destroyed one of the bolts, which would have been pretty bad, not being able to properly secure the battery in place. But that was it, just 3 bolts, and it's really easy battery removal. And now time to put in the next battery. As you can see, I'm contemplating quite a lot because I'm kind of amazed that for such a low price it might actually be an original battery.
or it's just a really good fake. Either way, it looks completely identical, the model numbers are the same, so just gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, you should slide it as well. There are two flaps on the top that cover it, and then just go ahead and secure it tightly with the bolt. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Pressing the button, and the lights work. Hopefully now the screen will work as well. Yep, it started loading. Great, so that was it. We managed to revive the Kindle. Now let's go ahead and slide it in, assemble all the bolts. So it was definitely a problem with a faulty battery, and from what I read online, most of the times this is the case. Then let's just replace the plastic covering on the top, and that's it. You have your Kindle revived.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was everything I got for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to replace the battery of your Kindle Paperwhite. As you saw, it's quite easy, and it only cost me about $7-8 for the new battery and like $5 for delivery. So it's a much cheaper alternative to just go ahead and do it yourself instead of paying lots of premium for some tech shop to do it for you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and see you next time.